Hello everybody, I'm going to show you how I embossed some tulle that I used on my Shabby Chic Gorjuss Girl project. I thought it'd be really tricky. I think the trick is not to heat it too long, so make sure you heat your embossing gun up before you actually put it onto the embossing powder. Otherwise, I'll show you what happened during the video if you heat it for too long. So I'll show you first of all how I just did the normal heat embossing. So I've got my light blue tool, which as you can see is really thin. So for this I'm going to wrap it around a piece of cardboard. You can tape it down. For this I'm going to do it twice because my project was using it for curtains. So it was quite nice to have it a bit thicker. So I've just wrapped it around twice. You can sellotape it. I haven't seen the need, it joins onto each other. I've chosen to use this Japanese style stamp set. Hope you can see it. I'm using the fan on this one, but you can use any stamps. It doesn't have to be flowery or anything. So make sure you've got lots and lots of your Versamark or emboss it. And then I did one at a time, push down really hard. As usual, you get your spare piece of paper, sprinkle it where you just had it. It will fall through because it's got holes on. Won't be a perfect imprint. Did it one at a time. And the last one, just about fit it on this one. A good tap. So there is our images printed on the tool. I'll do that over. So like I said, heat your gun up really well beforehand and you'll see it'll only take a few seconds That was really quick. I didn't speed up the video or anything. That's as quick as it takes. As you can see, it's fused it together, but I rolled it quite thick for the project that I did. I think you can see that better. And then for the curtain, just folded it up like this, making sure the pattern's on top. So I'll show you what happens if you hold the heat gun on too long. There's my tool all prepared. Same as before, make sure your stamp's nice and full up of the Versamark, or emboss it, or whatever you want. Chosen clear embossing powder, ink, sorry. Push down nice and hard. And as you can see, if you leave the gun on too long, it will start to melt it, and you'll get holes, and it sticks together. Don't know if you can see the pattern on this one. Let's have a look. Still quite pretty. But yeah. So you have to make sure you've heated your embossing gun up nice and hot before you set it on the tool. Otherwise you end up with holes in and it all melts together like this. Which is, if you want a rustic, distressed look on your fabric, it's fine. I wanted some patterned neck curtains for my project. If there's anything else you'd like me to try out for you, then please leave a message in the comments below and I shall get to them. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.